Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting representative emails, and the replies you want, 5 to 10 examples is enough. Once done, craft a tight persona, tone, formality, and signature so the AI knows your voice. Next, pick the AI model and give it safe, read-only access or paste excerpts. This prevents accidental sends. Make sure to label sensitive examples. Then, feed the examples with short annotations, why a reply worked and what to avoid. This seeds the model to behave predictably. You now draft replies by using a consistent prompt template. Include context, the reply goal, desired length, and precise tone. Once prompted, ask the AI for 2 or 3 variations plus a concise subject line so you can choose. Make sure to state constraints like deadlines, confidentiality, and whether to reference attachments. If specificity matters, paste key email lines. Then, compare variations for accuracy and alignment with your persona. Picking the one that communicates intent and preserves, you should always verify facts, dates, names, figures, and attachments before sending. Once satisfied, personalize the chosen draft with a brief sentence or 2, add your signature, and confirm the subject line reads well. Then, send a quick test to yourself if uncertain. If you spot mistakes, don't panic. Rerun the AI with explicit corrections, showing the original draft and the exact lines to change. This targeted fix is faster than restarting and prevents repeated errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.